Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Paul Lam. Millions of people around the world are enjoying my program and improving their health and quality of life. I know you will enjoy teaching it. I'm composing this self-paced package to help you meet your goal in the most enjoyable way. Once you have completed this, you will only need to work with a master trainer for 1 day or a minimum of 7 hours to be eligible to become a Tai Chi for Health Institute board certified instructors. This process will be fun and also improve your health. This package will take different length of time to complete depending on your experience. If you are a Tai Chi instructor, it may take 20 hours, whereas if you are new to Tai Chi, it would take much longer. The good thing is, I have arranged it in a natural sequence for learning, and I will guide you through each step, starting with the background and theories. I will mix them up with Tai Chi practice in between. Knowledge and action are fit in such a way to enhance each other, and this is the most effective way to complete the training. Please be patient. Take your time to complete each step. It will be an enjoyable time, and you will gain health benefits for every minute you spend. Once you have completed the package, attend the Stage 2 workshop as soon as possible. There are over 70 master trainers around the world who can conduct the Stage 2 workshop virtually or in person. You can find them listed on the Institute's website. A good way is to enroll in a Stage 2 workshop first. Allow a good length of time to complete this package before the workshop. If you're new at Tai Chi, factor in 1 to 2 hours every day for a couple of months. A quick learner may need less time, but I know you would enjoy it so much that you will want to practice more anyway.